Well, the hit parade just keeps on coming. We left Jacksonville the other day after our complete engine rebuild. That is working fabulous. I mean, usually every morning I have to go down and change out the oil pads underneath the whole engine that are just soaked with oil. I have to add a quart of oil to the engine every day. Not doing it anymore. So we traveled for 2 days and only one oil pad is even slightly got some oil on it. I could probably go at least another day on that pad. So fantastic. I mean, it's looking great. Engine ran great. We cruised it once we broke her in at 1800 RPM. So that's good. But as we were docking, hi, I'm Ron.
And I'm Marie.
10 years ago, we bought a broken down trawler for $4,000.
And nothing worked, not even the kitchen sink.
After a lot of hard work and help from our friends and family, we moved aboard Elixir full time. And now we are cruising this old boat while the work and fun continues.
So subscribe and give us a like and come along with us, cruising this old boat.
As we were docking, after 2 days of travel, we reached the Brunswick area and went to dock at a marina here and lost reverse while docking. Luckily, we were close enough to the dock that we got some lines over. There were some other boaters there to help us, and they grabbed the lines, and thankfully they were there. We'd have been in trouble because the current was pushing my nose into the fairway and I had no reverse, not enough room to turn around in the fairway. So I don't know what I'd done if those boaters hadn't have been there to help us out. So, but they got the lines tied to the dock. We got the boat pivoted somewhat on the corner of the dock and pulled into place. And so I came down today to check the transmission, see what's going on. I thought at the time, because of the engine rebuild, we had to take the shifting cable off. And my assumption was that it just didn't get put on with the proper adjustment. And that's why I was having trouble going into reverse. But started the engine up, and I took the shifting cable off and I manually shifted it into forward, went into gear, the shaft started turning, seemed okay, put it back in neutral, waited a minute, put it back into reverse, and it did start turning the shaft, but I could hear all kinds of clanking and crunching inside the transmission. So that's not a good thing. That probably means our transmission is shot, and we're either going to have it rebuilt or get another one that is rebuilt, one or the other. So it's just not in the cards for us to get north this year. We're just getting stuck here. So anyway, that's what we're going to be working on for the next week or two, is dealing with our transmission. In the never-ending cascade of problems we've been having recently, we just got our engine rebuilt and now the transmission has broken. So I've got to pull the tranny out and replace it.
So what are you doing right now?
I'm draining the raw water out of the transmission oil cooler so that I can remove it, the transmission oil cooler, to give me slack to pull the bell housing off.
So the transmission, the engine, and the generator all use raw water?
Yes.
Separately?
Well, the transmission uses the same raw water the main engine uses.
Oh, okay. So it comes through the same
Yeah, it's
through hole.
yeah.
Okay. So if you drain the raw water out of the transmission, will it drain it out of the engine?
Yes.
That'd be all right?
Yes.
Okay.
As long as you put it back in before you run the engine.
I was just wondering.
got that tightened down. All right.
I feel for you.
Yeah. You'd really feel for me if you were down here doing it.
Been there, done that. Not that particular one, but. Peekaboo.
I feel like one of those chipmunks. Well, I was having a little bit of trouble getting the transmission off of the engine because the shaft was in the way and I just could not get that shaft to move. So I called in for reinforcements.
Oh, look, this video David us. What are you guys doing? All right, let's go.
Doing all right.
Good, good. It's a nice marina, huh?
Yeah.
Nice breeze out here.
Yeah.
Yep. Did you have a nice ride?
There's just air. Oh, it's good.
Heavy?
Oh, baby.
Heavy?
160 pounds.
Holy smokes.
More than me.
More than me.
About you and me together.
I am 7.
What do we do to
so,
that
like,
saga ranch?
maybe I'm like 3 pounds. Because like I could even reach the 4.
Yeah.
But I went on this. I was not really tall enough. Hey Daddy, how much pounds am I?
How many pounds are you?
Yeah.
Like, I don't know, like 40.
What? That is a big number.
7 years old, she's already
What
about
is-
the number
Yeah.
How many pounds are you, Daddy?
It's a woman's prerogative to worry about her pounds.
You really should know.
I should have known that. Sit on the edge here. Yeah, just don't sit on my phone. Okay. I'll let you get out. If you want to go all the way out, I can probably heave it up here if you can kind of just bring it towards you. We'd probably put a...
Yeah, get a couple of the pads and put them right here. And then if we can maybe just get it up to here.
Yep. All right, you ready? Yep. Okay. And probably just do like this, huh?
Film breaking.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I did.
Guess what?
What?
We got a new patron.
That's awesome.
Yeah. It's Andy and Rachel, and they live in Antigua.
Where's Antigua?
It's an island in the Caribbean.
Is that someplace we can go?
Be difficult.
Well, let's say hi
It's
to them.
way down south.
Let's just say hi to them then.
Okay. Hi, Andy and Rachel. Thank you for becoming one of our patrons. We really appreciate your support.
Most definitely. Most definitely.
Yay.
Today is a beautiful day. Let's go.
Yay.
This is a good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow.
Jekyll Island is well known as a loggerhead turtle nesting site. So during the right time of year, you can see some of that. There's 10 nests right here behind me. It's pretty cool. Never had the chance to see them actually coming out of the nest. I don't know if they let you on the beach when that's going on, but just the fact that there's 10 nests here is pretty cool.
Out the window of this car, and when I feel the wind on my face.
This is a fresh nest, and you can see the path that the turtle used to come up and then go back. And the nest itself is still kind of disturbed, hadn't packed down yet, and the turtle's path hadn't really been washed away from the tide yet. So this was probably done last night, I would guess. So Marie figured out that on the post they write the date, and that's today's date. So we could see tracks from like a four-wheeler type thing running parallel to the shore, running the whole length of the beach. So they probably came by this morning, saw this track made last night, and put today's date on it.
It's a good day to tomorrow, there's no time to borrow today. Well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day today, and not tomorrow.
Thanks for watching.